So hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'll show you how to draw a character in front pose. Okay, I'll draw some more characters as well so that you will get an idea how to draw your own character from front pose. Okay, so the basic rule I'll follow, and you can also follow the rule. That is, first you have to draw your character's head with circle. This is the circle, and now the next part is you have to draw the body with this shape. This is rectangle, and next is the leg like this. These are very simple shapes, you can draw it, but this is the construction of the character for front pose. And here I'll draw the hands like this, very simple, as you can see. Okay, this is the chest line and this is the center line of the character. As you can see, this is very rough, but this is the form, this is the construction you need to follow for your character. In different character, you can increase the length of the body or you can reduce the length of the body, this rectangle, maybe like this. Chest line and center line. Okay, and in other case you can do one more thing. The body I'll elongate more and the legs will be short like this. So it depends on your idea, your visualization, how you can design your character. Okay, so let me try some other. These three are of same shape, that is rectangle. I can use it like this as well. So I have shown you 4 different shapes. You can try on these to design your own character. Instead of circle, you can use rectangle for the head as well, like this. So for the first part, circle, you can design it like this. See, this is the center line and this is the eye line. In eye line, I'll put 2 eyes and 1 mouth. This is very basic. You can add the volume to the eyes if you want, or you can leave it like this. For like this, you can do like this. Okay, okay, so this is the part you need to use in the head portion after doing the construction. Okay, or else you can do one more thing, like if you are drawing the character little tilted towards the right, like this you can do, and then you can try to draw the lower portion. Okay, so now I'll demonstrate little more. So here I'll draw one character following all the construction. Okay, so first I'll draw the head. So this is the rough character I have designed, and now I can draw it more detailed. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll erase little lightly so that I can see the rough lines, and now I can do the detailings like this. So like this you can design your character. So I'll do some more. So we'll draw some more, this time a lady. So like this you need to draw with the shapes. See. Okay. So try it out and let me know if you have any questions, then please comment me below. So practice it and you can also draw like this.